everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be testing a new recipe. The recipe is delicious lemon bars. So let's get started.
For the pie crust you will need 1 cup cold butter, 2 cups flour, half a cup powdered sugar, 1 pinch of salt. For the lemon bar filling you will need 4 eggs, 2 cups white sugar, 6 tablespoons lemon juice, 4 tablespoons flour.
So now we're going to make the lemon bar crust, and we're going to mix the butter and the flour. The powdered sugar, and last but not least, the salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And after it's preheated, we'll tell you what to do next. You want to bake your pie crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes.
While the crust is baking, we're going to make the filling. You add your eggs, sugar, lemon juice, and flour. You can also add food coloring if you want, but that's an option. Pour your filling over your crust. Bake your bars at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Be careful to not overbake. So after the lemon bars are done baking, you want to let them cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Then after, you want to sprinkle them with powdered sugar. Okay, so now we're going to try them.
They look beautiful, so they should be good.
When I first look at the lemon bars, I can see that they're very crumbly, but I think that doesn't really matter as long as they taste good. I guess the looks of things sometimes matters, but I guess I'm going to try them.
Yeah, the top is a little cracked, but like it was hard not to crack it when you were cutting it. I love the taste. They taste really good. I really like lemon stuff.
The butter in the crust adds an extra amount of flavor. Like, you can really taste the butter in the crust, and it tastes really good. Like, I would never ever leave the butter out. Okay. My sister used to make these and I always really loved them, but I didn't know what it would be like to make them on my own. So me and my sister decided we were gonna make a video of us trying to make these lemon bars, and I think it turned out pretty good, except for that they're a little bit crumbly, but they still taste really good, so I'm still happy. I would definitely suggest making these because they're delicious.
I can't get enough of them. After you take them out of the pan, there's like crumbs left in there, and you just scoop them right into your mouth. They're so good. That's what I did.
Yeah, so definitely check out this, make this recipe, and comment down below how your recipe turned out, and also give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess if you didn't like it, give us a thumbs down, but I hope you liked it. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye!
No. 4 tablespoons butter. Flour, not butter.
Look like anything.
Jenny, no.
Oh, it's right. Oh. Powdered sugar.
What part?
She laughed.
This was good.